All they focus on money, drugs, women, cars, diamonds, gloves, hits, words, gate, comes back, lungs. Fuck it, I'ma run it up. They keep telling me to work less and party more, but ain't nothing coming out of my life being dirt poor. Cause I've been broke my whole life, ain't nothing come of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right, I fucking spend it. Drop 100 on some foreign seats, they bout to go and rent it. I'm working hard for the things that I have, and bitch, I'm running too fast. I couldn't keep up with class, so do I drop out or just sit there and just watch my dream pass? This is my chance, this is a test, I pray to God that I pass. Money couldn't change me, though it all remain the same me. They don't get where I'm coming from. All they focus on existence, the physical
magical universe is basically playful. There is no necessity for it whatsoever. It isn't going anywhere. That is to say, it doesn't have some destination that it ought to arrive at, but that it is best understood by analogy with the music.
I was sleeping on the money. Ain't it funny how they all see it? These children watch the rappers fucking up and wanna be it. Hanging around the town where everybody knew the gangs were. Sold a couple grams, now we thinking he a gangster. But it's all good, yeah, it's all new. It was just weed, fuck, now it's coke too. Money got him stuck in the cell, he eating cold food. Damn, I fucking wish you would've listened when I told you.
Check my call log. Ask them all, I ain't about to fall off. Kill them all, tell them so long. They try to break me down, but I'm staying walled off. Uh-oh, I'm back again. Hi, they keep on saying this is it. Why? They keep on saying that I got evil intent. When really I write all these songs and get up on them just to fit. I been feeling lately like I gotta get revenge. All these fucking mumble rappers talking about how they so rich, but really it's a breeding ground to make these thuggish little kids think that wearing gold chains means you're ballin'. Swish, I walk in the bank and all of the tellers they know my name, but I ain't gon' claim that I went up and did it this way because of the money and fame, because of the way that my mama has raised me. Giving my thanks to the ones that have made me. I put my camera down for a second, cause this game died needs saving. Lately I ain't check my call log. Ask them all, I ain't about to fall off. Kill them all, tell them so long. They try to break me down, but I'm staying walled off. Lately I ain't check my call log. Ask them all, I ain't about to fall off. Fuck them all if they wanna doubt me, and fuck all those dudes who ain't doing shit, but still they talking about me. You bored? You keep on running your mouth. Steadily talking that shit, but you don't even know what you're talking about. Second album on the way, better run off the high. Real rap comes back, oh shit, it's a new headline, woo! Better pray for him, it's cold out here, you better go inside and stay warm, yeah. You better pray for him, it's cold out here, you better go inside, yeah. Hey, making my way to the top, you better not get in my way. Bringing back the real shit, I can't wait to see the look on their face. Bipolar was so great, yeah, I know that's what they all say. You don't look much like a rapper, maybe cause I ain't been taking no off days. I ain't trying to fit in, they asked for it, so I finally did it. What's the secret? Station.
Hey, I stand 10 toes down. AK-47 with 100 rounds. Bullet cases hit the ground. Got me running and gunning until the drum runs out. Running and gunning and running, gunning at me to be. Everybody's just trying to get the best of me. Nothing good in life comes free. I keep running and running to keep my sanity. Running, gunning, yeah. Fuck who they want me to be. I can't live a lie, not that kind of guy. But fuck with me, I keep you on your toes, peeking out the window for this dead eye. Sipping gin and tonic, these bitches getting hypnotic, bubonic. I'm taking over this world like I'm robotic, like I bought it from a payless. They say I can trust them, thinking they should say less.